Let me introduce croylipolysis machine. When we receive the machine, we need to install the working handle. And this one. Install 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. Working handle. Square handle. Radio frequency capitation here. Then we need to fulfill the water inside this machine. Install the funnel. We need to add the pure water for machine. Fulfill the water from water inlet hole until the water comes out from spill water hole. It means the water tank is fulfilled. And the water outlet hole for after change the water. We can see the spill water hole comes out. The water comes out from this hole. It means the water tank is full. Connect the power line. Open the red button. This button. And then turn on the machine. We need to turn on the emergency button. Let me introduce the screen. Croylipolysis capitation, radio frequency. Check. Croylipolysis handle 1, large handle. Here. Croylipolysis 2, small handle. Control small handle. Capitation handle. Radio frequency, this one. Press here. Change to croylipolysis handle 1. Working time, vacuum, released, cooling. Working time we can adjust to 30 minutes, and the vacuum 1.0, released 0.4, cooling 4 degrees. And for now, we test the large handle. Here, working time, temperature, vacuum released, the same. We need to put antifreeze membranes on the skin area, on the treatment area. And for now, we test the machine. Handle can work, stop, and work. The screen, the same, can start and stop. Okay, now stop working. We test small handle. Small handle, we need to press here. Croylipolysis, control small handle. Welcome to 1.0 and released 0.4. Cooling. 4 or 6 or -4. Work. Stop. Okay. Okay, stop working. And large handle and small handle can working at the same time. Large handle, small handle. Okay, back to home. We test radio frequency handle. Working time to 20 minutes. And energy 3 to 5. 3. Okay, we can one-way treatment, we need to use some oil on the skin or gel. The skin will feeling hot, will be hot. Okay. Next, stop. Back to captation. Captation, the working time general 20 minutes. And the energy to 5. Stop. Start working, and then we use some water to test the captation flow. And then back to home. Turn off the machine.